All right, so we're ready to lay some tile. First thing you got to do before you lay your tile is get your underlayment laid. And if you're interested in that, there's going to be a link down in the video description or up here. And what we're going to be laying today is considered a large format tile. And so when you're laying the larger tile, you have to get the special kind of mortar thin set. And it's actually called large format floor tile mortar. And then with that mortar, you're going to have to use a 1/2 inch notch trowel, because the bigger tile you need, you're going to need a larger notch trowel to make sure that you get everything level. Speaking of level, you're going to want some type of a leveling system, and this system is by Peygran. And what you do is you put these underneath, you take a wedge, you put it there, then you use these pliers, and it kind of cranks it in and pulls it tight and gets all 4 corners of the tile level.
57's the edge of your 36, 21.
So 54 or something?
Yeah, somewhere in there. We need to lay at least to there. That gives you your cabinet's gonna be about there. And then your toe kick here is around 21. So if you get back into the 18, 19 inch range, you're usually pretty good. Alright, put a mark here. There, 9 3/4 is the split. 3 1/8 right there, right there. All right. Oh, now we get a little tighter. Yeah, about 140 1/4.
140 and 5/8.
Oh, we can adjust that one here.
Yeah. Yep, that'll work. All right, so we've got the tile that we've laid so far all cleaned up and ready for grout. We just got this little bit left to lay right here, and we got to let that set up, and then we'll be ready to finish this off and grout it up. We put a little bit of grout in this joint back here as well, just to check the color to make sure that it's what we want. Put it in an inconspicuous area, so when it dries, if we don't like it, we can easily go in, get it out, and then go try something else. But I think this is gonna work. We'll just have to wait to see.
Sometimes you gotta take this and hold it up.
With tape or something, or some shim.
Yeah, or a little shim.
All right, so we're done laying our large format tile in the kitchen. I got plenty more tile to lay in the house, but it's all kind of the same thing. When I get to my master bathroom, I'm gonna be doing some fancier tile work, so I'll make another video on that. And if I do, I'm gonna put it up here or down in the video description when I get to it. So if you found this video helpful, like always, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.